Hi, second grade boys and girls. I'm going to do a quick reminder of some things of how you use Tinkercad. So whenever you get into Tinkercad, you'll want to click on Create New Design, and then this window should pop up. Remember to change your view of your work plane. You can either right-click and hold down your mouse. That will change your view of your work plane. Or you can use the view cube, so you can grab that and drag that around. You can also zoom in and zoom out using your scroll wheel on your computer mouse, or you can use the plus and minus listed on the left side of your screen. So today you're going to be building logos for your Fairy Tale Market Day businesses. So if you have not already drawn at least 3 logo designs, pause this video now and go ahead and draw 3 logo designs. Choose your favorite and then get on Tinkercad and start designing it. You have all kinds of options over here on the side that you can choose from. It's going to open up automatically to show you basic shapes, but you can also click on any of these options on the side, or you can click on all, and it gives you even more options. So you can then scroll through those, clicking on the numbers, and see what options you have. I will say that if you go to all and go to page 2, there is a text option that you can pull out, and it will give you lots of different fonts to choose from. I'm going to use Rosewood font, and my company's name is going to be Rapunzel Hair Salon, so I'm going to abbreviate that. So R for Rapunzel, H for hair, and S for salon. So now I have a text over here that says RHS. I'm also going to go back to basic shapes. I'm going to choose a box as my base. I'm going to squish this shape down because I feel like it's a little bit too tall by grabbing this white box on top. And then I'm going to resize it using these white squares on the corners. I'm going to put it in the center of my work plane. I'm going to grab my RHS and resize that. And now I'm going to add a bow above this, since this is going to be a hair salon type business. I'm going to grab a cylinder. I'm going to resize it a little bit. I'm also going to grab a roof. I'm going to rotate the roof using that curved arrow on the side. And then I'm going to change my view and use this curved arrow to rotate my object again. I'm going to lift it up because we don't want it hanging below the bottom of the work plane. To lift, you grab this black cone above. I'm going to resize it to make it a little bit bigger. I'm going to put it over there on my work plane. I feel like both of those objects are a little too tall, so I'm going to squish them down using that center white square. And then I want the same shape on the other side, so I'm going to click that. And then on my keyboard, I'm pressing Control-C and Control-V. That copies and pastes it. Then if I grab my curved arrow, I can rotate it around and put it on the other side. And then I could add some text on top of this. And make it look like it's carved into it if I wanted to. So I'll show you how to do that. I'm going to put Rapunzel. You change your text, what you want it to say, over here in this box. And then I'm going to resize it. I'm going to lift it up some so that it can be on top of this. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. And then I'm going to change it into a hole. Then whenever I group this entire thing, I have to select all of it and press the group icon. And then it is going to group my entire shape together so that it prints as one object. And then I have my shape where it looks like it's actually engraved into this. And then I have my letters on top. So a very simple, quick logo design. Have fun creating your own.